Welcome to Checkbuster Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to add a location to your template and then how to use it in your inspection. So you're in your menu, you go to templates. I will add a location to an existing template. You can also add a new template by clicking on the plus button that I already showed you in the previous tutorial, but we're gonna add one to an existing template. So we click on the plus button, add an item type, then we click on location. We're just gonna name this location for now. Click on save. Make sure your template is activated so everyone in your team can use it in their inspection. So we're gonna add a new inspection. Click on the demo template, name the inspection, and there you have the location. If you're in a different location, you can click on update location and it will show where you are. We hope that we have been able to help you to add a location to your template. We'll be back soon with new tutorials. Make sure to download our new app. Inspect and report, share and improve.